Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with the 24 weeks of Christmas cards. It's number 11 and I use the stamping Bella, a gift from Yeti, which is actually a birthday card. But for Yeti, he's also Christmassy. He has a Christmas present. I don't know. And I kinda like this pink and purple present, so I left it like that. And there's, I have two. The one is with the elf is also really cute. Bit more Christmassy probably, but I'm using a gift from Yeti, and the other one is called Yeti's Loot, which probably he stole that from the elves, if it's called loot, right? I'm stamping it on watercolor paper, the really thin one, and I thought I could maybe fit it twice, which I did, but not as easily as I thought it would. You had to shift the paper, but because I want the white border, of course. But yeah, I made it work. I only colored one. I used the Zig Clean Color Real Brush pens, and I usually blend out with 2 tones of markers or pens, like they call them, but I don't have all the colors in the Zig Clean colors, of course, so I'm using water as well a little bit. And a few years ago I had my favorite things, Yeti's Beast Friends, I think it was called, and I made it in blue or blue-green, and I thought that was so cool that I stuck with that. And you can of course make them any color, but this packaging is almost the same. It's just on the packaging they use to draw his fur, and I didn't like that, so I didn't. So what I do is put on the shadows and then blend it out with a lighter color if I have it, and I don't, so I use water. It works the same. And yeah, there's something weird stuck in my brush, but I will turn on the music and then catch you in a few minutes. So enjoy! After I colored it, I let the scan and cut do its magic, and I fetched this stencil that I made with the scan and cut as well, by the way, but it's not really as precise as I would like it to. I need to get my head around the product canvas, I guess, but I haven't yet. And I kind of like it. I mean, it's not perfect. I don't care anymore. I'm using Versamagic to do my blending, and I have Aspen Mist, Ocean Green, and Aegean Blue. And you can of course use any that you have. This one, the Aspen Mist, is very similar to Speckled Egg, I think, or Weathered Wood. Yeah, distress oxides, I mean. These are of course the pigment ones. But yeah, I thought, let's just switch it up a little bit and not do always the same thing. And that's why I also didn't do a sky with snow falling stuff, but just a ombre modern winter blue themed kind of background. I don't know, I just thought it would look cool, and it does. And the colors don't really match him at all, but that's okay. For my sentiment, I'm using this Unico Simply Said blocks Christmas edition, and mostly because they are nice and bold, just like the stripe I just added. So I'm placing it kind of the same distance as I did these 3 blocks, but not completely in the middle. You will see I was really focusing on getting the same length. That was really nice, or thereabouts, and also the same distance from the stripes or the blocks. And then I didn't see, oh, it's straight, yeah, great, but it's not centered. So you can't catch every detail, you know, unless it's in a movie, because then I see everything. But then for that I'm using the Ocean Depth, another Versamagic color that is slightly darker, just to continue the ombre wintry blue tone things. You can do that any color that you like, of course, it doesn't matter. But you can match it to your Yeti, and he might just disappear into the background though, so be careful with that. If you want to go really bold, and then do the pink and purple maybe from the parcel or gift or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, you can see here my rectangles are not, I try to line them up as best as I could on the scan and cut, but yeah. I went with it anyway, because I made it, I cut it, and I kind of like it anyway. So yeah. Foam tape on my Yeti. I didn't spray fixative on it yet. I will do that. I'm not sure if the zigs will remelt with water, but the oxides might, so I will still have to spray it. And this is some yucky stuff. Don't know what that was. I think it's the end of the roll, and they're attached 2 pieces together. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, I lifted in just so I can talk. This is number 11, so we're almost halfway through. And I hope you like this card. I hope to see you again soon, and that might be Sunday. So thank you for watching. I will see you again. Bye.